Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to remove a note from your Facebook profile. Whether it's an old note you don't need anymore or you simply want to clean up your profile, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in into your account. If you are using a desktop or laptop, you can also open Facebook in your web browser. Now, go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner of the app. Once you are on your profile, you will see all the notes you've created and published on your Facebook profile. Note usually appears in the profile picture section. Then tap on it. Now, a pop-up menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. You will see two options, replace note or delete note. Replace is used if you want to replace with a new note, but according to the title this time, we will delete the note. So, tap on delete note. And a confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete this note. Keep in mind, once you delete it, the note will be permanently removed from your Facebook profile and cannot be recovered. If you are absolutely sure, click on delete to confirm. And that's it. Your note has now been successfully removed from your Facebook profile. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial like this. See you in the next video.